Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see how the credit union operations will work. So the credit union operates to promote the well-being of their members. So profits made by credit unions are returned back to the members in the form of reduced fees or the higher saving rates and the lower loan rates. So how this will work in Jainam Software? So just have a look. So from the customer, I will go to the all list and just refresh. So here you can see I have created 7 members. So minimum 7 members needed for the credit union operations. Now I will search F-6 from the search bar. So let's go to the passbook. So here you can see there is no deposits, no loan for this member. Now let's go to the deposit and for let's say fixed deposit of 50,000 at the higher rate of return. So let's take a rate of interest 12 and for 12 months. So I will just calculate. So here you can see the interest is coming 6,000. And now on this date I will just save this deposit. So after that just I will search F-6 from the search bar. So from here you can see this member after a certain period he can apply for the loan. So from the loan I will go to the let's take a personal loan. So let's take 10,000 for 10 months. So I will just in lump sum interest I will write down let's say 2,500 or I can write let's take a 2,000 and amount per installment. Okay, I will just calculate. So you can see here amount per installment is 1200. Now as on this date here I have added some charges, so I will just delete from here and now I will just recalculate and save this loan. Now you can see from the customer passbook F-6 I will go to this member 6 and let's go to the passbook. So here you can see now this customer has a deposit of 50,000 and after a certain period he applied for loan. So 10,000 loan also given to this member. And if I click to this loan, so just go to the passbook. So here you can see at the minimum rate of interest the loan is given to this member. And so the credit union operations thinks about the well-being of their members. So this concept easily used in Jainam software. So thank you friends for watching this video and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.